In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to configure DocuSign Connect services step by step. If you want to automatically send envelope updates, status changes, or completed document data from DocuSign to your CRM, website, or backend system, then DocuSign Connect is the tool you need. I'll walk you through where to find it, how to access it, and how to start managing or adding a new configuration the right way. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important settings. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple and practical software tutorials. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to DocuSign.com, or directly navigate to apps.docusign.com and sign into your account. Make sure you're logging into the correct account that has admin permissions, because you'll need admin access to configure Connect services. Once you're logged in and on the DocuSign Home or Send dashboard, look toward the top navigation area of the screen. From here, click on Admin. This will take you to the DocuSign Admin dashboard, where you can control account level settings, integrations, and advanced features. After you're inside the Admin dashboard, look for the option labeled Connect. Click on Connect to open the DocuSign Connect settings page. This is where you manage all webhook configurations that allow DocuSign to push real-time data to external systems. On the Connect page, you'll see options to manage existing configurations or add a new configuration. If you already have configurations set up, they will appear in a list where you can edit, disable, or review them. To create a new one, click on Add Configuration. This is where you define how and where DocuSign should send envelope event notifications. When adding a configuration, you'll typically be asked to enter a name for the configuration, the URL endpoint where the data should be sent, and select which envelope events you want to trigger notifications, such as sent, delivered, completed, declined, or voided. Depending on your setup, you may also configure security settings, like including a secret key for message validation or enabling HTTPS requirements for secure communication. Make sure the endpoint URL you enter is publicly accessible and ready to receive post requests from DocuSign. After entering all required details and selecting the appropriate event triggers, review your configuration carefully. Once everything looks correct, save the configuration. From this point forward, DocuSign will automatically send event data to your specified endpoint whenever the selected envelope events occur. This allows you to automate workflows, update databases, trigger emails, or sync data with other platforms without manual intervention. If you ever need to make changes, simply return to the Connect section under Admin, select your configuration, and edit the settings as needed. You can also disable or delete configurations if they are no longer required. And that's it! You've now learned how to configure DocuSign Connect services, access the admin panel, navigate to Connect, and manage or add a new configuration. It's a powerful feature that can significantly streamline your document workflows and integrations. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow DocuSign and software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.